Today we are going to demonstrate how to properly install an AviAngle end cap. An end cap is required when a ledge area terminates at one end. You don't want to leave an end open for pest birds to be able to gain entry behind the section of AviAngle. Take all the necessary measurements of the ledge and the components that will need to be cut for your AviAngle end cap. After you cut the end cap to the appropriate size, you should always do a dry fit to make sure the end cap section fits and covers the ledge area. Next, you will use an end cap clip to attach the end cap plate to your section of AviAngle. The first step is to find the ID tab on the end cap clip. The ID tab side is mounted to the face of the AviAngle section. Depending upon what AviAngle components you are using, the AviAngle base, mid extender, top extender, or combination thereof, you will need to trim the end cap clip to the necessary size. Note that you will need to cut the clip to account for the rear space of the mid or top extenders. Here you can see, sliding back and forth, the rear section of the clip of the top extender clears the end cap clip. Here we're measuring the end cap clip for the top extender. Once the end cap clips are cut to the appropriate size, next you will need to insert the end cap plate into the other side of the end cap clip to hold the end cap plate in place. Note that depending upon the AviAngle components that you're using, you may need to trim the end cap plate to the appropriate size. In this video, we're using the AviAngle base and the top extender with a large end cap. We'll demonstrate that this end cap plate will be trimmed to cut and fit the necessary area. Now that you have all the pieces assembled, take the AviAngle end cap and do a dry fit on the ledge to make sure all the components are cut and fit properly before all of the end cap pieces are assembled together. You can see here that I pull the end cap plate past the front of the AviAngle face, and I'll mark that area and trim it. But the reason why I allow for that excess area is to provide a better fit around the outside area. That excess area can be trimmed with a pair of tin snips very easily. After the dry fit is conducted, all of the AviAngle end cap components can be assembled and glued together. Here you can see I am taking the AviAngle base. I'm applying a PVC cement to the top area of the AviAngle base, to the top and underside to get it equally distributed. And then I'm taking the top extender, sliding that on, making sure it is fit snugly. Then I like to take the PVC cement and run a bead along the backside of where the clip and the AviAngle base meet together. Next, I'll find the ID tab of the end cap clip and I'll apply PVC cement to the inside area of the AviAngle base on the bottom and the top, and I will install the end cap clip. Once I install both the bottom and the top end cap clip, I like to take some PVC cement and also apply a bead of that on the inside as well. Finally, I'll apply PVC cement to the inside of the end cap plate and insert that into the end cap clip. Once the clip is installed, I'll make any final adjustments to make sure it fits properly, and then I'll do a final fit test prior to applying polyurethane. Now that the end cap is fully assembled, you can apply the polyurethane adhesive to the underside as shown in the video and install the end cap in place. The polyurethane will be applied in a zigzag pattern to the faceplate, base plate, and on the top extender return leg as shown here, and depending upon the application, the end cap inside plate. Now that the polyurethane is applied, you can install your end cap onto the ledge. Press firmly, make sure that the adhesive is spread out and attaches to all areas around the end cap